Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to delete messages off Instagram Messenger. Let's say you sent a message and then you decided you wish you wouldn't have sent it. There is a way to unsend it before the recipient reads it, or even if they have read it, I'll show you how to delete it if that's what you wish to do. So let's jump right into it. All right, everyone, we're currently on my phone, so of course you're going to have the Instagram app installed. If you already have it installed, you want to make sure you have the most updated version because previous versions did not have this option. So once you're ready, open up your app and then head over to the Messenger, which is in the top right, which I'm sure you know. And then you have a list of all your messages between people. I'm just going to open up one and type a message, thank you, and hit send. Now let's say I wish I didn't want to send that or add something different to it. All I have to do is click and hold my message, and then you'll see an unsend option here. Just click that, give it a second, and it'll delete or remove that. Now this is an automatic reply, so I doubt they read my message in the time that I sent it, but it is a great way to delete your messages or unsend them if you regretted sending it. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.